Is your car suddenly failing to start? Don't worry, we'll guide you step by step. This video covers battery, electrical, fuel, mechanical, and anti-theft troubleshooting. First, check the battery. Low voltage can prevent the car from starting. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage. Below 12 V indicates low power. A jump start can help you start temporarily. If you hear a click but the engine doesn't crank, the starter motor may be faulty. Problems with the spark plugs or ignition coil can prevent ignition. Inspect the spark plugs and ensure the ignition system is functioning properly. Low fuel is a common reason. Check your fuel level also. A faulty fuel pump or clogged fuel injector can prevent the engine from receiving fuel. Check the fuel pump fuses and relays and measure fuel pressure. Mechanical issues may cause the engine to seize. Try manually turning the crankshaft pulley, check oil level and quality, and consult a professional if needed. Automatic cars need to be in park or neutral to start. Check the shift mechanism and park lock switch. The anti-theft system may also prevent the car from starting. Try using a spare key or follow the vehicle manual to disable the anti-theft mode. When your car won't start, begin by checking the electrical system, then sequentially inspect fuel, mechanical, and anti-theft issues. Carrying a portable battery can help you avoid being stranded.